I am Jeremy Garbet-Welch, mission co-worker with the Presbyterian Church USA, serving with the Church of Central Africa Presbyterian as the facilitator for the CCAP Chaplain Training Program. Joshua 1:9 reads, "Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid, do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go." Church of Central Africa Presbyterian, or CCAP chaplains, go bravely into places that many would often find it more comfortable to ignore. They serve those who find themselves on the margins of their communities, easily forgotten. The foundation for chaplain ministries is visiting those in need. This has become increasingly difficult during the COVID-19 pandemic, which has also heightened the needs of those already on the margins. Visitations at prisons have become more limited, but the chaplains persist in providing pastoral care as they can. They continue to support congregations as they bring needed goods, such as soap, Bibles, food, and now masks to the inmates. Hospital chaplains have found it difficult to minister to COVID patients because of the shortage of protective equipment. They visit when they can and focus on providing pastoral care to the patient's guardians and to staff. As the CCAP chaplains minister to individuals in hospitals and prisons, they are also working to strengthen and expand access to spiritual care through two new initiatives. The first initiative is through trauma healing. Through the American Bible Society's International Trauma Healing Program, Reverend Wycliffe Zulu is leading the way in doing trauma healing in the prisons. This Bible-based approach teaches people how to productively grieve the difficult things they've been through and shows how we can bring our wounds to the cross to find healing and forgiveness. The second initiative is focused on training lay members to be chaplains. Hospital chaplains Reverend Gamaliel Kalebe and Mr. Harris Safuli are recruiting members in rural congregations to become chaplains to district hospitals located near them. They're developing a training program and seeking funds to get it off the ground. The Presbyterian Mission Agency has focused its vision around Matthew 25. Verses 35 and 36 say, "For I was hungry, and you gave me something to eat. I was thirsty, and you gave me something to drink. I was a stranger, and you invited me in. I needed clothes, and you clothed me. I was sick, and you looked after me. I was in prison, and you came to visit me." Jesus tells us the reason for this is because when we serve those in need, those who are marginalized, those often viewed as the least by society, we serve Jesus. It is another way of saying, "I am with you wherever you go." CCAP chaplains know that God is amongst those who suffer and that God does not forget anyone, even if we might. They serve in settings that many of us find intimidating, and they do it knowing that God is with them everywhere they go.